One of the advantages I would have to say is you don't have to worry about opening it. It's automatic. It's real simple. It's real sleek. You have accessibility right there where it just makes it easy to work with.
What do you think about the design aspects of it and how it can help you facilitate what you're doing on that side of the pump of the truck? How do you feel it helps facilitate that?
Well, on some of the engines we have the short 5 connect, and sometimes the 9 turn will be in the way, and that one's just goes straight in there. It's easier, more room than something bigger than the 9 turns that we.
It looks better,
Yeah.
better
Looks
appearance
a lot
on
more
there.
sleek, easier to use,
Easier to use, sleek, lighter.
Much lighter.
Lighter compared
Yeah,
to a piston intake.
compared,
You're going to
yeah.
have a lot, and especially since you sometimes remove valves off to do things, and you're running a hard suction hose. You know, if you're going to remove that valve, you don't want to hurt your back with a big heavy valve. So that's definitely you're right on that. The lightweight.
Faster to put on because it's lighter. Right. Yeah.
yeah.
And just a lot simpler. You just have the drain and just that one valve on top, and it's a lot easier.
Compared to what we have now, that we have to take off the 9 turn to draft, to that one that stays on there and that actually helps you. I was very impressed the way it held that prime when it felt that it was sucking air, automatically closed by itself. And I was very impressed that it did that, where it gave us time, where it closed off. And it held that where we could get more water in there and just continue like we had never ran out of water.
Yeah. Otherwise, we'd have to be worrying about shutting and closing, and that one does it on its own.
To other departments that do more drafting, a lot of drafting, even to fill up with hydrants. You know,
Easy.
with hydrant operation, it works just great.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about turning that 9 turn. Opening it up. It
You
opens
just
up
hook up to the hydrant, start flowing. It'll start flowing on its own instead of having
I
to.
think a lot of the departments that draft steel, they would really benefit from this tool.
Well, I mean, you'd be able to get away from the pump itself and not worry about what it's doing. If you need to close it and open it, you just know it's going to be doing its own thing. You can go out and help lay hose out meanwhile, and you know that's already easy. You don't have to worry about opening and close it. Just hook up the hydrant, just have the hydrant open and walk off and do other stuff that you might need to do,
It would definitely save some time.
especially with us.
Especially if we have a short crew, you know, just 1, 2 of us.